A very good morning, student. Welcome to Blue Stars. This is your 10th standard class. Today we are going to discuss about the structure of DNA. I hope you all are active in this class. So, in this unit 18 heredity lesson, today we are going to discuss about the structure of DNA. For our previous class, what we have seen in a previous class, karyotype and introductions about the structure of DNA, right? And today we are going to discuss about the chemical composition of DNA and Watson-Crick model of DNA. Okay, my first one, what we are going to see today, chemical composition of DNA. Just write a topic to be here. Yes, here the first topic of a DNA structure is chemical composition of the DNA. Chemical composition of the DNA. Composition, which means what are the chemicals are present in the DNA part. That is the chemical composition of the DNA. Okay, இங்கே DNA molecules பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா they are contained large molecules, they are contained in the DNA, that millions and millions of nucleotides. What are the chemical composition they are presented to be here? Nucleotide. Here nucleotides are here, this one, guanine, cytosine, adenine, thymine is there, no? This is a chemical composition. The name is a nucleotide. They are present in the millions of a number of nucleotides in the DNA. Hence it is also called, they are present in millions, no? So that they are also called the polynucleotide. Poly, which mean more than. Okay, va? Poly, numbers. Poly என்றது நிறைய. Polynucleotide. Okay, va? Each nucleotide, they are contained three components. Each and every nucleotide, they are contained three components. A first one is the sugar molecules. What is the first one, ma? Sugar molecules. Here, just taken here, this one adenine and thymine. இது ஒரு nucleotide sequences. இது ஒரு nucleotide. இது ஒரு nucleotide. ஒவ்வொன்றுமே each and every one is a nucleotide sequences. ஓகேவா, இது எதனால ஃபார்ம் ஆச்சுன்னா 3 moleculesனால ஃபார்ம் ஆச்சு. ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா சுகர் மாலிகுல்ஸ். சுகர் மாலிகுல்ல என்ன இருக்குதுன்னா deoxyribose sugar. Okay, what kind of sugar to be presented here? Deoxyribose sugar என்ற molecule, sugar molecules present ஆயிருக்கு. And next one nitrogenous base. What is the next one? Nitrogenous base. இந்த nitrogenous baseல 2 type இருக்கு. Okay, first one பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா purines and pyrimidines. What is the next one? Purine and pyrimidines. Here purine and pyrimidines, both of them are crystallized organic molecules. Crystallized organic molecules are இருக்கும். ஓகே, இங்கே guanine, cytosine, thymine எல்லாமே இருக்கு இல்லையா, இது ஒவ்வொன்றுமே purines and pyrimidines தான் வரும். Purines, first one purines எடுத்தோம்னா what are the molecules, nucleotides, nitrogenous base அதில் வரும்னா adenine and guanine. Adenine and guanines are purines. Purines, what is the major function of purines na? They are just convert as a energy. இந்த ஃப்ரூட்ஸ்லாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, ஃப்ரூட்ஸ்லாம் டைஜஸ்ட் பண்ணி they are uric acid கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. There is a purines and pyrimidines. Okay, here they are convert as a uracil. uracil இருக்கும். இப்போ டிஎன்ஏல இருந்ததுன்னா they are in the form of cytosine and thymine. இதுவே ஆர்என்ஏல இருந்ததுன்னா they are in the form of uracil. யூன்னு இண்டிகேட் பண்ணுவாங்க. And here the presence of DNA, they are indicated as a cytosine and thymine. Okay, and last one is the phosphate group. Phosphate group. So these are all the what ma? A chemical, that is a nucleotide consists of a DNA. These are components of DNA. In the DNA base pair எல்லாமே first one sugar molecules and next one purine and pyrimidines, that is adenine and guanine, cytosine and thymine ஆனது, and next one phosphate group நால ஆனது. ஓகே மா, இங்க நியூக்ளியோடைட் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கோம் இல்லையா, நியூக்ளியோடைட் அண்ட் நியூக்ளியோசைடு ஒன்று இருக்கு. ஓகே, எப்படி நியூக்ளியோடைட் ஃபார்ம் ஆச்சு? Okay, how they are formed to that in a nucleotide. Here a nucleotide are formed in the two type. First one nucleoside. First என்ன ஃபார்ம் ஆச்சா? nucleoside. Nucleoside, how they are formed அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா நைட்ரஜன் இருக்காங்க இல்லையா, நைட்ரஜன் பேஸ் பிளஸ் சுகர். ஓகே, nucleoside, how they are formed, nitrogen base plus sugar, and then nucleotide, how they are formed na, nucleoside plus phosphate, nucleoside plus phosphate. This nucleotide are formed according to the purine and pyrimidines present in that. Okay, nucleotide எப்படி form ஆகும், based on the according to the adenine, that is the purine and pyrimidines, adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine are present in that. Okay, so these are what chemical composition of DNA molecule. Just have to recall once again, what is the chemical composition of DNA molecules? A DNA is a large molecule, consists of millions of nucleotide. Hence it is called as a what? Polynucleotide, because of that they are contained millions of nucleotide in that base pair. ஓகேவா, இதில் என்ன ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 3 காம்போனன்ட்ஸ் ப்ரெசென்ட் ஆயிருக்குன்னா, சுகர் மாலிகுல்ஸ் இருக்கும், பியூரின் அண்ட் பைரிமிடின்ஸ் இருக்கும், பாஸ்பேட் குரூப் இருக்கும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சுகர் மாலிகுல்ஸ் எந்த சுகர் மாலிகுல்ஸ் இருக்குன்னா, டிஆக்சி ரிபோ சுகர்னு சுகர் மாலிகுல்ஸ் ஆர் present in the DNA, and purine and pyrimidines both of them are crystallic organic components. They are present in the adenine and guanine, cytosine and thymine form to that. And next one பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா phosphate group. ஓகே, இது எல்லாமே தான் காம்போனன்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் DNA. And next one, nucleotide, how they are formed na, presence of nucleoside and phosphate. அப்போ nucleoside, how they are formed, presence of nitrogen and sugar molecules. Okay ma, so that's it for a chemical composition of DNA. I hope you have to understand to that. I just show you a video to the next one. Just see the structure of DNA. This is a chemical composition of DNA. It's easy to understand to that. Okay, thank you. We'll see the remaining topic to the next video.